Is there any strategy that is suitable for beginner that takes low margin around 30 to 40,000 rupees only? That is for low risk with peace of mind, that works for passive trader, that generates a regular income in low risk scenario? Yes, there is a exactly strategy for this requirement. That is calendar spread. We are going to see that in a live trade with more details. This is Ganesh. Let's learn something new today. What do we learn? This strategy contains what is a calendar spread, calendar spread versus Vega, when to use it, calendar spread versus margin, advantages and issues around the spread, and I will demonstrate a live trade. Calendar spread. What is a calendar spread? A calendar spread is an option or futures strategy established by simultaneously entering a long and short position on the same underlying asset, but with different delivery dates. In a typical calendar spread, one would buy a longer term contract and go short a nearer term option with the same strike price. It is also called horizontal spread as strikes are the same. The calendar spread can be deployed three ways: call calendar spread, as put calendar spread, and double calendar spread. Let's see what are these types. How do you understand? What is calendar spread? Buying next month or next week or longer month call option and selling current week or current month call option. That is call calendar spread. What is put calendar spread? Buying next week or next month or long month put option and selling current week or current month put option. And what is double calendar spread? Entering into both call calendar spread and put calendar spread simultaneously. This is called double calendar spread. Let's understand very important point, how Vega works with calendar spread. This is very important point one should understand. Vega, which is one of the options Greeks, is driven by implied volatility. Means 1% increase in IV leads to positive Vega value to option price. 1% decrease in IV leads to negative Vega value to option price. Positive Vega helps option buyers and negative Vega helps option sellers based on implied volatility. Let's see an example. As per 14 October 2021, I'll take on the actual values. Vega for October 18,500 call option and a put option is 14. Call premium is 125 rupees. Put premium is 273 rupees. Let's say IV increases 1%. How does it happen? It leads to 125 rupees premium plus Vega value, that is 14, which is equivalent to, it becomes 139 rupees. Put premium 273 plus 14, which becomes 287. Vega for December month 18,500 same strike call and put option is 34. Call premium 471, put premium 529. IV 1% increase leads to 471 plus 34, which is 504 rupees, and 529 plus 34, which is 563 rupees. As per the example, Vega is higher for longer durations and lower for shorter duration contracts due to extrinsic value. This is why we buy longer duration contracts and sell shorter duration options. When to use calendar spread? When VIX is very low, when VIX is expected to be shooting up in coming weeks or months, when a major event like RBI policy, quarterly results or annual general meeting and etc. are expected to happen. Call calendar spread and margin. Let's discuss. Nifty on 14th October 2021 is at 18,338 points. Let's say buy one lot of December 18,500 strike call at 471.60 paisa. For that you need to pay one lot for that 23,580 rupees and sell shorter month, right? So sell one lot of October month, same strike 18,500 strike call at 125 rupees 60 paisa. So you receive 6,280 rupees. So net debit is 17,300 rupees. Max loss is your net debit, which is 17,300 rupees is your max loss. And estimated margin as per Zerodha broker, I have calculated this one, 25,667 rupees, and total funds required to take this one spread, means one lot, is cash for debit plus margin, that is 17,300 rupees plus 25,667, that is a margin, together 42,967, like 43,000 is required to take one lot for call calendar spread. If you see right side, combined margin requirements as per the Zerodha margin calculator, call calendar payoff chart. Let us see. Probability of profit is 42.3%. Max profit 7,749. Max loss 17,300 rupees. That is the max loss which we discussed, right? This is the debit what we paid. So when you look at this payoff chart, beginners, when they check this payoff chart, they understand, they think, oh, this much loss is required, is on table. Why do you go for this calendar spread? So people generally ignore this strategy, assuming that so risk reward is not at all favorable. 94% of your capital is lost, right? So if you understand this, so this max profit or max loss is realized only in the month of December expiry, not before, right? This calculation payoff chart is given till last expiry date, right? If you enter into October, you have time October, November, December, almost 3 months time you have in hand. So before that, even the market crashes or shoots up, the loss will not be 17,300 at all until longer term options expiry date. So the payoff chart is for December expiry. So don't misunderstand this much loss is there, so this strategy is not good. So no. Realized only when you stay in the trade till last date of the December month expiry. Okay, hope you understand this payoff chart. Call calendar spread adjustment will see. If the spot moves up or above the strike, book the loss in shorter term options and roll out to the next week or next month option to collect more premium. The loss is compensated by longer term option as it's been in good profit, right? So loss in the near term is lesser than profit in the longer term option, because Vega is high in the longer term option, so you would be still in good profit. Second adjustment, if the spot moves down or 80% premium of the short term option you sold is consumed, book the profit in short term option and roll out the next week or next month option to collect the additional premium. Third adjustment, if the spot continues to go up or down and VIX rises significantly, there are two choices. Convert the calendar spread into diagonal spread. So I haven't explained much about diagonal spread. So calendar spread is same strike, diagonal spread means different strikes. That is just for now it's enough. Second adjustment is choose to close the entire spread with good profit. That's all. Either three adjustments, one of them you can choose and very well you can manage this strategy. So in general, most of the cases you will be closing the trade with good profit or very minor loss only. Never sell additional option to compensate the loss unless you are good at adjustments. Calendar spread advantages and issues. Let's see. Advantages. Margin requirement is as low as 30 to 40,000. So many can participate. Low risk strategy with hedged position. So is high peace of mind. And sometimes the defined risk can be removed completely if you stay in the trade for longer time. Adjustments are very simple to deploy. It can be used as a regular income strategy and sometimes it yields high returns. Issues. If VIX go further lower after taking the trade, loss in longer term options is higher than gain in shorter term options. Huge moves in either side can result in loss. All option strikes may not be in liquid to trade. Let us see live trade that I took a Nifty call calendar spread. On September 14th, I took December longer term option 17,500 call option. I bought 2 lots when spot was 17,380 for the rupees 491.75 paise. So I bought 2 lots. So I need to sell 2 lots. Here what I have done differently, what I explained in theory, here in live trade I did something different. I sold current week 1 lot 17,500 call for 82 rupees and I sold next week same strike for 125 rupees. So next week I got good premium. That's why I wanted to check how it works. So I sold like this. On September 23rd, what happened? Spot moved to 17,780. So which is very huge. So this near week option strike went to 295. So I sold at 82, it went to 295. What I have done? I closed with a loss of 10,650 rupees. You understand, right? So I sold this one. That's okay. So what I have done? I roll over to again next week expiry. That is 30th of December expiry. I roll out to and sold 17,600 call. This is what I said. Converted this 1 lot to calendar diagonal spread. That I got 273 rupees, which means whatever loss I got in by buying that current week, I already got even more premium I got. On 28th of September, what happened? So I closed the entire trade because spot came down to 17,650. So I bought 17,500 call for rupees 152, that is older one, and I bought recently sold option, that is 17,600 call for 102. So earlier I sold for 295. Now I bought it for 102, where I got profit of 8,550 rupees. Now longer term option, here you see I got 756 rupees. I bought for 491. I sold it for 756, two lots, where I got 26,475 rupees, which is very huge. So after calculation of all this, I got 23,025 rupees, which is 26% returns. Do you see? I entered into this trade on September 14th. I exited entire trade on September 28th. Within 2 weeks, within 14 days, I closed the trade. So if you observe, when did I enter the trade? I entered the trade on 14 September when VIX was 13.58. You remember, VIX was very low. If you see in the diagram, VIX was very low. After I entered, VIX started going up. That you can see. On 28th of September, VIX was 18.54, right? It went up to very huge, right? So which means I entered 13.5, I exited at 18.5, which is 5% up. 1% itself is, I showed you earlier, right, calculation. Longer term Vega, how much Vega is added? 1%. 5% means 5 into the Vega value. So that's why I got longer term option that much value. That is where I got maximum profit. You can think, you may ask, sir, you can continue these trades even you are in a profit, right? Yeah, maybe I can continue. If VIX falls down, this profit I may not get that much. So 26% in 2 weeks is who is getting? That is more than enough, right? So I close the entire trade. You can see in the bottom of my live trade screenshots where I got the profits, how I closed this entire trade. Thank you. Hope you understand. You like the video. Please subscribe and comment, share. Any queries you may comment in the video. We have a Telegram channel where we discuss these several points, daily live of trades and various market updates and friendly discussion with many other friends. Please join the group if you want to know more details on this. Thank you for watching.